Assalamu alaikum. I am Fareed Qureshi and I'll be talking about a course on Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Let me give you two situations. The first situation is that you have to invest a certain amount of money in a venture which has a 70% chance of success. The other situation, you have to invest the same amount of money in a venture with a 30% chance of failure. Now, naturally, you would go towards the first option. Although if we look at it, they both are the same. One has a 70% chance of success, 30% chance of failure. It's the same. But what is the difference? Difference is the use of the word success. And that is the very premise on which we have designed this 2-day interactive course on neuro-linguistic programming. What is NLP? It is neuro, the way we think about things and how we can change our perceptions. Linguistic, how we convert those thoughts into words, because word has a power that we have just seen, and eventually how those changes could be reflected in our behaviors, and that's how we completely change the situation around us. It has that power. So I request you to please join us for this workshop and be a part of this transformative journey. Please join tracks. Thank you very much.